Hi, I'm Eleanor, one of the Motability specialists here at Bowker MINI. MINI are really excited to welcome the Motability scheme back, so we're just going to run through a couple of the frequently asked questions. So the Motability scheme helps people living with disabilities gain access to freedom through cars that are fun, stylish, as well as affordable. With the Motability scheme, your insurance, servicing, maintenance, windscreen and tyre replacement costs are all built in. You can also get many adaptations at no extra cost, plus a new Mini every 3 years, which includes a 60,000 mileage allowance. So there are a few different allowances that cover Motability through this scheme. These include the higher rate Motability component of disability living allowance, the enhanced rate of the Motability component of personal independence payment, the War Pensioners Motability supplement, the Armed Forces independent payment. The Motability scheme allows those who receive a Motability allowance to put all of it or part of it towards the lease of the Motability car. So there are a wide variety of Minis available on the scheme, meaning that there really is something for everything. These include the Mini Electric, 3-door hatch, 5-door hatch, convertible and the Countryman. For any more information, please pop into your local Bowker branch and ask to speak to one of the Motability specialists.